Monday morning, first frost of winter, and I've come across an absolute life hack because I'm using my white vinegar spray and it's melting the frost on my windscreen like an absolute dream. It stinks, but look at it. I'm so excited. So this is just a thing now, isn't it? Morning ritual, another shitty thing you've got to add into your morning stuff you have to do before you go to work and get your soul sucked away. Oh, I'm full of the joys today. Full of the joys. Morning, it's Tuesday. Normally my day off, but no, I'm going to work. Aliens, anyone?
Yeah. Not entirely sure. Oh, there we go. My snack review of the day? Dunno, mate.
Come on in. Happy Halloween. My baby. Good morning. It is Halloween. Yeah, finally here. The very last day of October, which means that tomorrow is November, and that's my birthday. Yeah, so just off to work for the day. Very, 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 very long day in work. Not great, but there we go. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you got up to, what kind of spooky shenanigans you got up to. So yeah, we like to call it Calan Gaeaf in Welsh because it translates as Winter's Eve, and tomorrow winter starts in Wales officially. Be good, rave safe, trick or treat. If we could arrange for it to be okay to wear Mickey ears every day, I'm well up for that. It's so good. Guess where I am? Ta-da! This old place. I'll see you at 8 p.m. That's how long I am locked into this for. This is what freedom looks like.
At least I'm saving myself money on takeaway tonight.
Yes! Yes, queen! I got stir crazy after work today. Oh, Swansea City bus. Gross.
I can live with that out of date. No problem.
Oh my god, that show. Shut your mouth. Oh, is that a worm thing? I'm so excited. Look at this little beauty. Oh, I can't believe how sparkly it is. How beautiful. My birthday kind of starts on Halloween, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of does.
I was in the hospital now. No, I wasn't. Not yet.
No. You were sat at home thinking, I'm going to end up in hospital, aren't I?
Bev and Ron were there. Because I phoned out and said, what does this mean?
She was like, your baby's coming.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, so good. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, definitely.
Hocus pocus. Bombers. This one. That one. That one. Pajamas.
Please? Next year we go trick-or-treating as Wendy and Peter Pan. It's tight, but it's no deal.
Life is so good.
Drop this.
Yeah, so it is like 20 minutes until my 35th birthday. I'm gonna like overdo it on Snapchat tomorrow. Sauce, not sauce. Snapping my little 35-year life away. See you in the morning, kid. Oh my god, look at his feet. Oh, how is that comfortable? Look at his feet, babe. Come.
Because I want you to have breakfast in bed, that's why.
Oh. Oh. Thanks, babe. Thanks, babe.
You're good. Any fucking time.
I love you.
I love you too. Happy fucking birthday.
Thanks.
Don't go downstairs yet, either. Or you can do what you want.
But not that. You can do what you want, but not that. Okay, promise. Not a good sight, or what?
Amazing.
Greg's in bed.
I had no
Chucky.
idea the winds of
It's my birthday. I literally have spent all morning just getting ready and being lazy and being brought breakfast. I feel so lazy right now. 35 today. About to head out. You can hear it.
What's that?
Aww. Well, I did it again.
Hello. Definitely. You're a ninja.
Birthdays! Oh, I love that gift bag. Wow. Lego paper, mini. Oh, look at Mary Poppins paper.
Yeah, nice, yeah.
Oh, look at my gift. Cinderella.
It's so long. We was watching a thing about it last
4
night.
syllable meanings.
What's this? Doing? What are you doing? What you got for you? What you got? Is that for me? Is that for me?
Birthday to you.
I haven't blown candles out for donkey's years.
Birthday to you.
Do it all in one go.
Yeah.
Oh, well done.
Pretty cake. birthday cocktails. Mine's really frosty and yours isn't.
Mine's more mellow.
Mellow.
Mellow sugar.
What a fucking lush place, please. This is Old Havana Rum Bar in Swansea. Why has Cardiff not got one of these? Oh my Christ, it's like a Kardashian's back garden. I want it. I want one in Cardiff. Can we have a bar like this, babe, please?
Also does.
Can we have a bar like this?
Huh?
Can we have a bar like this, please, babe?
It's not enough for discussion.
A little bit, is it? We're eating half of each other's passion fruit.
Forbidden passion.
Our lime wedges are like cousins, brothers, cousins, crossing the
Both.
line there. We're talking about crushed ice. In-depth convo. We're having an old-fashioned now. Oh dear, I'm gonna finish this off. Time for dinner.
What's like? I can't even decipher what that says.
Beaujolais.
Beaujolais.
It's a grape.
Perfect serving taco menu and also
Sorting out his Instagram.
Borderline Brie.
Literally the name of our band. If we had a band. I was too busy crying after what you said. What did you do to me? You made me cry. You made me cry. Good cry.
Sorry.
Oh, don't be sorry. It's a good cry. If it was a bad cry, be sorry. It was a good cry. I love a fancy toilet. It smells amazing. Oh, good save. Thought you central locking, babe.
Huh?
Thought you central locking. Such a babe.
Oh my god, what have you got in it?
Soz babes. Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too. I've missed you so much.
What are we drinking, please? What are we drinking?
Spiced rum slush.
Just rolls off the tongue. Oh my god, I'm literally stood here in the Motorpoint Arena. I've got like the best seats ever because there's nobody behind me but a wall. And very soon, Gabrielle and my main man, Rick Astley, will don that stage and we will be rickrolled. I'm so excited. I've been waiting 35 years for this. It's finally happening. I cannot wait. I told you how double your sexiness when you're walking towards me with a pint. Did you just spit it all over my bag? I take back what I said.
Don't take that back.
You're having the one with the spill.
That's right.
Our don't have time for this shit today. What the fuck, please? So hit the mother load. Here's all the methody goodness.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, would you please stand as we pay our respects to the 5 people who tragically lost their lives at the King Power Stadium in Leicester last Saturday. This afternoon, our thoughts and prayers are with the family and friends of pilot Isabella Rosa Lekovich, pilot Eric Swafer, Kawi Pon Punper, Nuksara Suknamai, and Leicester City Chairman, Mr. Wichai Si Watana Papa. Please join successive players, football management and club officials in a minute of silent reflection.
Yeah, but she's leaving.
Oh. Can we have a peanut song? That's not a peanut song. I've got loads. What is it? You know a lot. More about me than I expected. She knows a lot about me though.
Too much.
Too much. Too much is it?
No.
She's helped me out through a lot. She has.
I am like.
But I've helped you out with a lot.
Yeah.
So we did
It's mutual.
We did a bit of both.
It's mutual.
Come on, please, guys. I'm gonna get sad. Like I'm leaving.
Flip the camera.
Like I'm gonna get really sad because not even with this car, just with us going.
Yeah.
Like I don't want to go without you.
You don't need me though.
Don't, because I'm gonna start crying.